We are now going to learn our first ballet combo. In this combo, we will combine the Demi Pliés we learned in first, second, and third positions. Here's what it will look like. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Make sure you're familiar with the technique before starting this combo. If needed, go back and review the positions. Ready to learn it? Let's go! This combo is a set of 3 8 counts. We will start by standing in first position and place both hands lightly on the bar. On count 1, 2, we bend our knees and Demi Plié in first, like this. 1, 2. Try it with me. 1, 2. Good. Next, we straighten our knees and find our starting position on 3, 4, like this. 3, 4. Try it with me. 3, 4. Good. We then repeat this again in first, 4 counts, bend on 5, 6, straighten on 7. Like we learned in a previous video, on count 8, we can take our right foot and open it to second position. Once in second, we then repeat the exact same counts for our Demi Plié that we learned in first, like this. Demi Plié 1, 2, straighten 3, 4, Demi Plié 5, 6, straighten 7. Try that all together with me. We'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, step on 8. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. On count 8, we will make another transition. This time, stepping with our right foot to third position. Our right foot should be in front. Once third position is found, we repeat the same counts for our Demi Plié in third, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This time, on count 8, we will step back to first position, so we are ready to repeat it again. Try that with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Now let's try it all together. We'll start in first, then second, then third, then back to first with Demi Pliés. Ready? Find your first position. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Since we want to work both sides of our body, this combination will be done with both our right and our left foot front in third. The first time we do the combo, we will have our right foot front in third, like we've been doing. But the second round, we will move out our left foot. It will look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, left foot out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, left foot front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, left 2 first. Try that with me, using your left foot to transition. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, left foot out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, left foot front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, left 2 first. Great! Now let's do the whole combo. First with our right leg in front, and straight away, do it again with our left leg in front. Remember, when working with our right leg is always the one that is transitioning between steps. Then, when we are working with our left leg does all of the transitioning. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right to second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right to third. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right to first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, left to second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, left to third. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, left to first. Good! Shake out your legs. You might notice your bottom getting a little sore. That's okay. Let's try it again one more time. This time, we are going to do it with music. We'll start with our hands off of the bar. I'll count you in and we'll place our hands on the bar on 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job! That's our combo for today. Remember to do the whole combo at least 2 times so that you can practice with your right and your left foot front and third. Don't move on until you have it down. Keep up the good work.